Hello there. I'm just gonna try this out. This is the new Sage igniter rod, and I've just added a WF5 6 line to this 6 weight, and now I'm gonna test it. This is a first time field test of this rod. Really looks absolutely amazing. The color scheme on this is very nice. It has this gunmetal reel seat, some really nice complementary burgundy colors here with gray wrappings. Really looks awesome, and it just feels very lightweight and potent and powerful. Now we're gonna see if it is that also, if it really is as powerful as I imagine this is. Oh, this is something I've been looking forward to very much. So the new Sage igniter field test, take one. I just need to, of course, get the line through the guides as well. So what I have here is just a short-bellied taper, an Arctic silver line in WF6, about 16 grams. Some might argue that that's a bit much, but I'm pretty sure that this rod here will be able to handle this line. So yeah, and had I known that I should do this field test, I probably would have have been in other shorts than these Dorado ones, but these are pretty nice. So here goes. Just stripping off a lot of line. I think I'm gonna take the full line in the first go. I think this rod will manage that. So here we go. Feels very easy to cast. It casts practically of itself. Very easy to make some very small line wave. It tangled. God damn it! But the power is there. Definitely. Damn it! It tangled. You get that a lot on your first try on grass, because the grass here is so withered from all the warm weather that it grabs onto fly lines very easily. So we're gonna do that one more time as soon as this is sorted. You all know this feeling here where you have some tangles. Oh, annoying. So, but I must say the feel of this is very smooth. It feels very fast, yet still incredibly light, and with a very huge power potential. This is a rod for casting long distances with rapid loading. And I didn't even use as much effort as I could have. You see? This is where the backing is. It it soaked up all of this without even I had to pull with my double stroke all that I could. And the line is straight. It isn't bundled up in the end here. I'm just gonna do one more cast, and this time I'm just gonna take out some of the backing as well, to see if it will soak up that as well. I think I have about 5 or 6 meters of backing. Just carefully, just gonna put this a bit more careful so I don't tangle as much. And let's try again. Let's see if it can soak up the backing as well. So as you can see, I'm not pulling with all my strength, but I am gonna use some more force for this. If it hadn't entangled in my shoes, it would have taken up, and as you can see, the fly line and the connection with the fly line and the backing is out of the top guide of the rod. Woohoo! That's a fairly impressive result, I must say. I gotta cast one more time, you know. Just gotta cast one more, or 220 or something like that. This simply just feels... I'm literally shaking a bit. This feels very potent, very surprisingly easy to cast. And there you have it. It ate up. I'm just gonna show you. So now I'm stripping, this is backing. And there you have the connection with the fly line. So all of this here, all of this backing went out as well. And the line stretched. It stretched out there. That's ridiculous. That's what it is, ridiculous. Light, great, awesome. I was looking so much forward to casting this. It's exceeded my expectations. Oh crap, this is gonna be expensive. We don't have all the rods in stock at the shop right now, but they are available for purchasing. So if you want one, swing by flytying.eu and get one. And I promise you, as soon as they are available, you'll be the first to receive your rod. So swing by, order one if you want one, and I ensure that you will be the first to get one.